Alright, what we're doing today, Konnor?
Putting out Aylee too.
Ooh,
What is Mega Gun?
Ooh, Mega Blaster. Let's see the size of this bullet. Ooh, that's a humongous bullet. Alright. Cock and loaded. Aylee's tooth. Let me see. Let me see. Ooh, that thing is sideways. It's about to come out. Alright, I suggest you tilt your head a little bit. Alright, look up. And we're gonna go for it. You're gonna shoot the baby? Or that way? No, do down. Alright, go. You did it! You did it! It hurt, it hurt. It's normal, it's normal. It's normal, it's normal. It hurts.
The tooth got out.
Oh, the tooth! Look for the tooth! Wait!